Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the Windows Security Center service is turned off or missing in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. First you need to know your system bit. To know that, go to search menu and type system information. Click on open it. In system type you can able to see your operating system bit. In my case my system bit is 64. After knowing that, you just need to close stuff here. Now you just need to check my video description for these links used in my video. First you just need to download this registry file. Check my video description for this download link. Select the download option and download it. After getting download done, you just need to check my video description for this DLL file. You just need to select the link. Depends on your system bit. In my case my system is 64 bits, that's why I gonna download this 64-bit DLL file. In your case if you have 32-bit, then you just need to download this 32-bit DLL file. Select the download option and download it. After getting download done, you just need to select the folder icon. You just need to drag the downloaded files to desktop, and after that just to close stuff here. And now you just need to double click on the reg file we downloaded and double click on the registry file and select run and select yes. And after getting done, the registry will added in your PC guys. After that just to close stuff here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this commands used in my video. Just copy the first command and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. After finishing the first command, copy and paste the second command. Tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. Press enter. After finishing both the commands, just to close stuff here. Now you need to double click on this wscsvc 64 folder. Copy this DLL file, just to copy it and go to this PC, go to local disk C, find the Windows folder, double click on it, find system 32 folder, double click on it, just paste the file over here. Select replace the file in the destination. Select continue. After pasting it, you just need to go back to Windows folder and search for syswow folder. Just double click on it and right click on the blank area and paste the DLL file. Select continue. After pasting it, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services you just need to search for Windows Security Service. Just to find it and double click on it. Startup type set to automatic delayed start if you have option. If the service status is stopped, then you just need to select start and start the service and then select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.